This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to demo session of the Azure Cloud plus one extra tool I'm adding this time, that is a Terraform. So myself, Nagarjuna, Vadlakonda, I have total 11 years of IT experience. I'm a working IT guy, and I'm providing other trainings also for the specially automation point, PowerShell, and Python and DevOps tools. So before going to learn what we have inside of this course, who are eligible to learn this course? First point, who are eligible to learn this course? And what are the prerequisites to learn this course? Then I will take the question and answer. Right. So first of all, come back to here. So our course name is Azure Cloud Administrator, and one more tool adding Terraform is exclusively. It is going to take specially 15 days. Guys, if you come to the duration part, okay, who are eligible and what are the prerequisites before that, I will give to you. So only Azure Cloud will take the 70 plus hours. Last time it took, see, this is the last time 78 sessions it took, 702 2024. Last time it took 70 sessions. Okay, we can consider 80 days. Plus this is a 15 days training. So around 95 to, so total is a 100 days training program. It is definitely lengthy program. Then only you will get the clarity what is the available component. So training way is weekdays. It's Monday to Friday, purely online mode. It is completely online mode, and timings for the training is 9 p.m. IST to 10 p.m. IST. It is Monday to Friday. It is a live training. After every live session, you will get the daily record. So timings are 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. p.m. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Not a.m. p.m. IST. In the based on IST. So if you go to the CST, it is a morning hours. If you check in your CST, mostly it is a 9 or 9:30. Yes, it is a 9 a.m. CST. Okay, I'm not creating any confusion. That's why I'm following only one time stuff. IST point, it is a night hours, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Definitely, it is a 4 months training. Definitely, it is a 4 months training, Monday to Friday, excluding Saturdays and Sundays. It is a 4 months training. Okay, now come to who are eligible to learn this one. Yes, I will take the question and answers because I need to tell what we have inside of that, right? So, morning batch it will take very long time. So probably end of February, sorry, April. It's already we are end of that. So this is a first clear picture I am providing. So whatever I am saying here, we should follow end of the training. So that's why the statement should be whatever I am saying, that one should be very clearly how to receive it first of all. Okay, the first thing is who are eligible to here. Guys, already you are working on an environment. You are planning to change your domain, especially. You are working on a different environment in IT only, but a different environment. I mean, you don't even touch these to this technology, or maybe you are working on a like if you are a fresher, there is no question directly. You can happily learn this training if you are a fresher, right? Even if your target is Azure, sorry, if your target is DevOps or Azure DevOps, it is a mandatory course. Why? Because here we are going to learn pin to pin, guys. Pin to pin. We are going to learn. So here there is no matter if I define a fresher, anyone can learn to this one. But what is the prerequisites? Okay, to learn this course, what is the prerequisites? I am completely new, then how can I start it? I don't know anything. But simple, why we are learning this Azure Cloud or AWS Cloud or GCP Cloud? Previously, we deployed or used on-prem servers manually, or we purchased the servers. But now someone is there, they are giving to you rent. They are giving to you rent. Rent they are providing to you. Who is providing? Vendors. Those who are selling, they are we are calling as a vendors like Azure or AWS or GCP, yes, Oracle. These all are the vendors. All these are the vendors. They are selling some product. If you want to create a Windows machine, that is your requirement. They are selling. You have to purchase it. But the fact is, almost I will compare all services with AWS. You will get extra benefit. I will compare all services with AWS also. Only terminology, only different. Consider you if you come with zero knowledge after this training, it is very beneficial. Zero knowledge. Why? Because I am going to develop the idea from the zero. So come to the main question: what is the prerequisite? Definitely, Linux basics are required. Linux basics are required. Without Linux, there is no server. If I give you a satisfied answer, no, nothing is required. You can join it. Maybe that is if I say that word to you, it is misleading. So I am giving to you a proper statement. Linux basic minimum basics are required, right? If you have additionally, this is optional. If you have a PowerShell knowledge, you are the master here. Guys, here Linux basics are required, but the fact is, I am going to cover Linux basics in 5 to 6 hours. Whatever the required things for cloud, I will take live sessions for the cloud in this training. The fact is, I am going to take the training for Linux environment. Really, when you don't believe, I am going to explain to you networking basics also from zero. From zero. This is a proof you can observe in the previous batch. I have not started anything directly. This is a previous batch. When I started the batch, see, first I explained Linux basics only. Then only I explained the networking basics. If I start day one directly, that is useless to you, really. So Linux basics and networking basics. These when we have these two things, we can happily start our journey. You will get 100%. After learning these two, 100% you will get. This is my responsibility. Explanation of the Linux command and networking. You are become as an expert in 3 to 4 hours class. Only 3 to 4 hours class only. You are going to get an expert level knowledge. Yes, when we know these two, right, we can start it. But if we have a PowerShell, it is optional. If you have a PowerShell knowledge, guys, here how we are going to learn. For example, if you take one service means whatever the cloud vendor, those who are selling to you, whatever they will provide, that we will call as a generally service. Listen carefully. By using the service, we can create our required virtual component. Example, so when you purchase chicken, we can make biryani. Like similarly, cloud vendor is providing to you service, anything. Even if you take EC2 is a one service, instance is a service, VM is a service. If the cloud vendor is providing one service, by that I will create a Windows machine. This is my biryani. So whatever you will create, that we will call as a resource, like biryani. What the cloud vendor is providing to you, that we will call as a service. Today is Sunday and we are getting biryani word. Interesting. Okay, then come back. Guys, if you, what is the speciality here, guys? Sir, it is not a 20 days completed training or 25 days completed training. I will not satisfied with that type of training. I want to explore maximum all options. That is my main intention. That's why usually my trainings are, even if you are coming from Python, almost I will take 80 hours training for only Python. If you are coming for the PowerShell, yes, I will provide 60 hours of content. 60 hours are required to learn end to end complete grip on the subject with not like a general example, in real time based example. Even you are a part of these two things, I no need to explaining about that. And here this is a Azure, and especially this time I am adding to you Terraform. Terraform means purely how to automate code as infrastructure, how to deploy the services on Azure cloud from zero, guys. Even you don't worry, sir, I don't know anything. Just leave it. With zero mind is enough. How to create what is, I mean, from the zero point. We don't know what is a Terraform init onwards to destroy, up to destroy, we are going to learn here. That is my responsibility. I will explain to you from the zero. Yes, definitely. I will take the questions, guys. Just to, first, I need to explain what we have inside of it. Then we will move one by one. Ah, so two things are required here. The two things I am providing in part of our training model. One is a Linux and another one is a network. Here only I am providing the complete idea of what is the basic commands and network. Right. So then after we will start our journey. Different services are there. Very simple. Someone is providing the services virtually with the help of a browser. Help of a browser we have to deploy and manage it. Right? Guys, queries I will take it. Question and answers I will take it after 30 minutes. Just please be on that. And definitely I will take that one. I need to deliver the course content. That is the important thing. So the very first service, introduction of the cloud, why we have to choose it. Yes, when you come into this course, you know you are before coming to the Azure cloud. Day one, I will never start this one. Definitely day 11 we are going to start Azure cloud. Day 1 to day 10, I am going to build the idea on the what is a Linux command and what is a networking. These two areas I am going to build the strong idea. Then after you have what is a cloud and what are the types of clouds, services on the clouds, what is the IaaS. This is infrastructure one is SaaS. Now here we are 90% we are going to spend here only. 10% ready-made services. Yes. So 90% we have to, they will provide to you platform. So infrastructure only they will provide. We have to develop everything from our end. Right? So then after here, the first topic we are going to take, for example, day 11 or day 12. The first one is a networking. So when you good at the infra level, everything is very easy. So almost 35 to 40 hours we will spend on this area only. When you good at. So what are the cover components? Maybe I will read out the names that will maybe new to you. What is a virtual network service name? It is a service name. And what is a subnet and network security group? Even instead of my words, you may get some confusion if I read out. This is a VNet, virtual network. We started at number 50. So what is a peering connection, global peering? With the PowerShell also, if it is additional feature to you, if you have that one. See, end of the training, how many things you are going to get here additional. Yes, lot of changes there comparing previous one to now. Network security group, especially ASG, application security group, added completely one session. After every live, you will get this type of recording. Yes. So every session with a neat diagram. This is a previous batch I am showing to you. If I read out all the things, definitely you will get some confusion. So that's why I'm directly showing to you how the training is available. Okay. So this is a prerequisite. I am going to explain in the module 1. But Active Directory, I will explain to you, not here. Enter ID, now we are calling as the Azure Active Directory. At a module number 7 time, I will explain. So this is a cloud services and what is the services we have. Then immediately 1 and 2 module after, we are not going to the third module. We are going to spend on the 5th module. Here I said 30. So, but it is more than 30, 35 to 40 days it will take. What is the network IP address? Uh, while reading this one, you are completely or we are completely zero. And next one, network related one, load balance. These one only take the 30 days time, 30 to 35 days time to complete this. Okay, then after we are going to move to the next service that is a virtual machine. Yes, here content is small thing is there, but really this is a way you can observe here how the training is going on. This is a proper content we followed. Yes, so just closely observe. And additionally added features also here. And here, once we complete the gateways, what is the site to site, point to site, route table? In the route table, there are two things are there. System route, UDR, user defined routes, and firewall, how to implement by the PowerShell. PowerShell is optional to you. So here you will get three types of idea. First, I will explain the same service on the browser directly. Browser in the main. If you go to here, for example, I am asking you how to create a VM. So search for VM, and each and what are the 9 screens. If you go to here, how to create a VM, and each and every step when we good at here, and this is providing to this is a NSG networking, and it is a like grouping information, monitoring, and providing the script, optional tags, final step. When we good at this 8 or 9 steps, when you good at all these 8 steps, you are expert. This is a pre-deployment. After deployment also you have some resources. That is a way we have to learn the cloud guys. Not only one level or one option, it is not good thing. This is a post deployment option. What is the post deployment options here? What is the automation account? I want to increase the disk size. What is the horizontal scaling, vertical scaling, and how to monitor this resource? Especially backup is the one service is there. Now complete DBS activity performing by these two small tools only. And what is a backup and what is a disaster recovery service? So here the fact is, here we have a beautiful content which is exactly I'm going to cover two components, AZ900 and AZ104. Two certification. If you are thinking point certification point, you will easily cover, usually clear that these certificates. Apart from that one, I am adding ARM template, and another one is a Terraform. Exclusively 15 days. This is we are going to allocate. So total together around 995 to 100 days training plan it is. So this is a course content. You can verify it every component, how we are going to work, and what is the storage account, what is the stack, and how to create the keys, access keys with help of the PowerShell. And this is a hard virtual machine scale set. Nothing but in a AWS, same thing we will call as a auto scaling group. What is a batch host? Nothing but Jeb server point. Now no one is using unmanaged disk, but how to use that one. Then after, yes, automation account with help of the run book, how to schedule that one. Backup and recovery is completely big service. Sir, here I have simply written one word. For example, if you take backup and recovery, here see Somewhere I explained backup and recovery. Even if you see VM, virtual machine, only I took 8 hours. Virtual machine only I took 8 hours. Only storage account one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I written small word, but each and every word we are going to see deeply. That is the main. If you see the backup and recovery, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours. Monitoring Active Directory, migration, ARM templates, app services, and interview questions. Like one, this is a simply I'm explaining to you. This is my course content. Additionally, I'm added this module and I'm giving to you one more word which is not included, ARM templates. ARM templates are very easy. It will take 1 or 2 sessions. But what is the target now? How to create the infrastructure? How to create the infrastructure as a code? This is a now demanding one. But proper way, first when you know the alphabets in the Terraform, you can do anything here. Once if you know the alphabets in the Terraform, what is the resource, what is Azure RM underscore resource group, how to create, what is alias name, how to provide the runtime variables. So no need to learn ARM template, no need to learn the PowerShell. If you perfectly learn this one, but I am giving to you one promise. Here you are going to learn the idea on the apart from this Azure Cloud, Linux and networking and Azure PowerShell and then after Terraform. So you know that, for example, today we are discussing ABC service. We are discussing ABC service. When we discuss ABC service, first I will explain on the portal. Then after with help of the PowerShell, and end of the training we are going to learn them in the. We are going to learn on the. If you see 3 times, first of all, each and every service I will explain to you first with a neat diagram. With one diagram I will explain. Then after with help of the browser, we are very famous this one, portal. Portal means your browser, GUI based application, graphical user interface. So mostly, not all services, but mostly we are going to deploy the same thing with the help of the Azure PowerShell. But Azure PowerShell is optional to you. If those who are taking as optional, please you have to concentrate on the Terraform. This is a wonderful tool. You are going to get the subject here. So first 5 hours, 5 to 6 days, basics are there. Then rest of the 7 to 8 days, we have a complete deployment process. What is a main.ef2? How to deploy? You need to destroy, apply. That all options we are going to learn. Guys, one thing I will inform to you. Just believe me and join here. Believe me and join. 200% you will get the genuine real-time based examples. Especially you are going to get a master in the networking. That is my assurance to you. Especially you are going to get the master in now this time I introducing to you Terraform. Even it will take 15 days extra time, even though this is a now market demanding technology. Sir, I am directly going to join in the Terraform. No, sir. First, you have to learn all the services. How we are going to deploy without graphical user interface, without without portal, without PowerShell. How I can get it? Either if you are taking optionally here, choose Terraform. Now you have to learn. Already you are a part of PowerShell. You are the expert. Already you are enjoying there. Here also two types of knowledge. Really, there is no profile. If your target is DevOps, if you define like a Terraform on Azure, now see there is no profile. Terraform on AWS, we can see lot of profiles. Terraform upon the Azure cloud where there is a less profile. There is a very less profiles we have here. And another one is if you provide Azure PowerShell and Linux and Shell networking, yes, this will be unique profile in your out of starting point. This is a unique profile you have. And complete, we are going to take completely 40 slides only, guys. Why? Because it is a 4 months duration. Previously, have a shift issue is there in that, but there is no problem to 9 to 10 p.m. IST. It is perfectly available to you upcoming 4 months. So only 40 slides are available, and for each slide is the 5,000 fee, the one time payment. If you Already you are coming from your reference of your friends, maybe already you are part of my previous trainings. Already you know the execution style of each and every service, and this is the same thing whatever I said here, right? So even if I give the demo of that one, even simply I will give the demo, guys. But you will get the confusion. Sir, shall you give one demo? Uh, all these are my provided demos only, nothing here. Each and every component provided by myself. Even if I explain one service, any one of them you can randomly open. How the training is going on. See, just is a matter of I can teach each and everything, but if you are completely new for this, you will get a confusion, right? So that's why I'm saying to you simply one word. Trust me, it is a not any institute like there is a time period we have to complete in 12 or 20 days or 30 days. Purely, I'm a working guy. I'm providing to you a genuine content. I'm providing to you a genuine content with useful scenarios, right? So no, video is playing. I'm trying to playing the video. So this is a way. See, my voice is coming now. It's a minimum. Delete one. I am only the trainer. It is not allowing me to connect. Okay. So what about the lab setup? Good question. The lab setup point is yes, we have to create a free trial account, guys. Yeah, two things are there. Even definitely from India, it is allowing credit card only. I mean lab setup purpose. Okay, I will explain to you everything good on my system. I'm using some account or you are using whatever. What about the lab setup? First of all, this is a good clarity you need to get. Sir, one thing to create a free trial account, we need a credit card. We need a credit card from India. But one fact is, from India, ICICI card, SDFC card, debit cards also accepted. But one fact, listen carefully. Even they are providing 1 month free only. 1 month free. Remaining 11 months, they are providing few services only free. So definitely, when I start that one, when you get a good idea, when you get some idea on the Azure, 1 month will be over there. They will provide you basically $200 free. Then one thing, if you are creating an account by using credit card or any one of them, see, I'm not talking about the free trial. Free trial is only 1 month. In the 1 month, you have to utilize $200. For example, you are using only $10. No, remaining one next month you will not get your remaining 190. That will be vanished. That will be zero. Only that is a 1 month only. Even the best thing is 2 to 3 friends are there, na? For example, 2 to 3 friends are there, or 2 to 5 members are there. Hmm. Create first month one person create an account, second month one more person. Yes, same credential, other persons also you can use. After every live session, you have to run a one command. I will provide you one command that will completely delete every resource in your account. So become your billing zero. If you are missing to delete any one of them, that will easily make it. But the fact is, sir, I don't have the free trial already. I used, but I don't have a credit card. I have ICICI debit card, ATM card over there. You are other than India, happily you can create it. That will work from especially USA, UK. But thing is, mostly every month you will get 200 to 300 bill, sir. If you practice whatever I'm saying to you. So okay, this is a maximum I'm saying to you. Maximum you will get 200 to 300 bill after every month. If you are not using free trial, this is a one. Mostly you will complete your training 10,000 to 1200. That is the maximum you will get. Maximum you will get. This is a billing. You don't worry about how to create account, and that is my duty. We are completely zero. We don't know anything. But this is a one of the mandatory technology you have to enhance this one. Why? Because here I am going to compare mostly all services. When I start a service, we are going to we are going to compare with cloud also. Which cloud? AWS cloud. We are going to compare with AWS cloud also. And one more thing. Oh, it is not responding anything. Yes, uh, 1 second. I'm not getting any option. Just hold on. Okay, I am unable to unmute that one. Right. So guys, is there any queries? One second, I'm unable. I'm trying to give the mic option, but it is not allowing me to provide the mic option. Just give me 1 minute. No. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm unable to get this option. Guys, 1 second. Just I'm doing one activity. I'm disconnecting now. Disconnecting now. Again, reconnect to the session in less than 1 minute.